Assiduity, punctuality, honesty, efficiency, commitment, and loyalty are the professional skills expected of every official. These are the words uttered by the Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, Mounouna Foutsou, during the official installation ceremony of the newly appointed officials of his ministry on Tuesday, September 21, 2021 at the ministry's courtyard. 26 officials in number, made up of 6 directors, 9 sub-directors and 11 service heads, all installed during the ceremony, were appointed following some decrees signed by the Prime Minister, Head of Government Joseph Diongute, and ministerial orders signed by the Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education on September 10th and September 17th, 2021 respectively. Amongst the newly appointed officials is Ngerikia, new Technical Advisor number 2, having served for 8 years as Director at the Minjec Central Administration. She expresses her gratitude for the hierarchy's confidence renewed.
Thank God Almighty for the grace He has given me to go this far. It has not been an easy task to go for 8 years as a Technical Director. And I think if the hierarchy has placed this confidence in me today, it is because of what I have done in the previous years as a Technical Director. So to the Prime Minister, Head of Government, I want to thank him so much. And to my Minister, the Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, Minister Mounouna Foutsou, I express my gratitude to him and I pledge my allergy to stand by him, to exercise all what he will ask me to do as missions, and I promise to be available and punctual in every activity that I will be asked to do as a technical advisor.
Nimpa Bonaventure, Head of Legislation and Regulation Unit at the Legal Affairs Division of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, having served for over 20 years in the northwest region of Cameroon, reiterates his determination to face the professional challenges awaiting him.
We have been given this new assignment is because of the confidence that the hierarchy has for us. Living northwest region with a vast experience of more than 20 years of service, I want to strongly believe that the hierarchy team necessary to call me to the central administration, because certainly they have a greater assignment for me. And I know that this new assignment goes with a lot of challenges. And I've heard it from the installation speech of the minister that we are the backbones of the ministry and that he is waiting for proposal from us. So our task will necessarily not be very simple, but thanks to the experience, I want to believe that we will be up to the task.
The installation ceremony took place under the chairmanship of the Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, Mounouna Foutsou, in company of the Minister of Livestock, Fisheries and Animal Industry, Dr. Taiga. After reading the various decisions and orders by the communication unit staff, the minister proceeded to the delivering of his address to the newly appointed officials. In his word, he made known to them that they are at the heart of decision-making as their superiors await them with pertinent proposals that will go a long way to bridging the gap between challenges undermining effectiveness in duty. As he concluded, he called on them to be loyal to their superiors while recalling that he is confident in them and will constantly support them in their missions.